What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the 2300 Gear Jammer channel. But you knew that. You've already liked the video, subscribed, and told everybody you know. And I want to thank somebody else real quick before we get too far into this video. The Storm family sent a clutch quadrant for us. So they dug around in their parts bin and found this for us. So hopefully we can get that to work. So huge thanks to Rob Summer and especially RJ. Thanks a ton. And our buddy Dale made these cool patches for the 50th anniversary. See if I can get a little better angle of that. There we go. Super cool stuff. And the big announcement for this video is I've opened GearJammerShop.com and we're going to put merch up as we go. And the very first one that I'm really excited about, look at that. Go to GearJammerShop.com. You can pick up your own Pinto shirt. And we got a couple other things. Trevor is making some stickers for us. So if you want to keep Trevor out of the videos, just buy a whole bunch of stickers and we'll never see him again. So that'll be cool. And I've got something else that showed up in the box that's going to be a little bit more involved for the channel. But GearJammerShop.com, check that out. And I'm going to open this box and we'll see what else is here. I'm really excited about this one too. Keep in mind, stuff that's going up on the site is, it's just to support the channel. I'm not trying to make a killing. And this right here is probably the coolest thing that we're gonna have. These are custom timing pointers that'll go up. And I haven't decided a price, but I think these super custom timing pointers for 2.3 specific, I think I'm gonna be somewhere around the $30,000 range for these. I'll put them up and I'll do as many as I can, but at $30,000 a piece, we won't make a whole lot. So we're just trying to support the channel. Anything helps, so check these out, they'll be up. All right, now we got all the good stuff out of the way. For today's video, I wanted to do cam and ignition timing how-to. And it turned into a huge mess of trying to get everything lined up, trying to get parts where they wanted to be, engines on stands. And I wanted to use a running car for it. And a running 2.3 turbo, like that's a video we haven't even done yet. So I have to go on a safari to try to go find one out back that runs. So let's go do that now. And we'll see what we can come up with that may have a chance at running for this video. Not even the right state. Well, that's bad. Right as I turned the other camera off, like a 5-foot black snake came cruising by. It wasn't aggressive, it was fine. And I thought, well, as long as it doesn't go under the SVO, it'll be okay. And that's exactly where it went. So, mad dash, I did a backflip and then had to run get the camera and try to get it all turned back on. I think I missed it. We'll see if the video got it. Shit. B. flew in my face. It's pretty good. Tell me I can't grow stuff. Ah! That's better. Even the snake left. Hey, found my lightning. So this is a stock 84 SVO Mustang, and it was my first daily driver, and it hadn't run in like 20 years, so we're going to have some fixing to do, I'm sure, before I even try to start it. But it's 100% stock, and will be perfect for the ignition timing part of the video. I'm trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. What? Alright, so here's my Turbo Ranger. Another one I did out of spare parts, and probably the most fun thing I've ever put together. And it's just a yard truck. I've driven it a bunch, but it's been on the dyno quite a bit. And we did Hot Rod Drag Week 2019 with it. And overall, as much as I've driven this truck, it has absolutely been flawless and never broken once.
At the top up, you know how they balloon really fast going down the track? Well, the thing pops over and the entire top is out of the car. That's what that left-hand side, the 93 Ranger. He gets there in 15.12 seconds at 91 miles an hour. Dave Gallimore, the Fox Mustang that was a convertible, and he had the top up. But you know how they
pretty excited. I haven't driven this in a long time. It's about the most reliable thing I've got. It's just a dead battery. It'll be fine. Whoops. That's hot. Oh, God. Good gosh. Oh well. Those are cheap. Okay, now we're good to go. When I pulled this in, I immediately went to work just out of habit. And here's a cell phone video because I forgot. Let's take a look. Oh, that's really bad. Some of these are broke. This is the harness that plugs in at the distributor, at the TFI module. And mice chewed it up and some dry rot. Pretty much everything looks like that. So at best, I'm going to put a pigtail on it, and that'll at least get it running for today. Yikes. That's pretty bad. Oh, it's running. Ish. Running ish. Holy hell! Mostly bad. I did a quick exhaust manifold and injector O-rings, and we're good to go. Alright, I got engines moved over there. I'm going to pull the black bar up here a little bit. I'm going to end up working off of the, I kind of like that backdrop. I'll use that when I do the cam timing videos. That'll be a little bit easier to see. So get this junk out of the way next. Here's a better shot of the finished timing pointer. I like them like this, unpainted. Definitely like it raw like that. And these are adjustable, so you can change the position of where top dead center is. You can just move that guy right over. Works really good. That's part of why they cost so much. Most of its materials, like I said, don't make anything off of that. I'm going to use a stock turbo coupe engine to do stock timing belt, cam gears, and stick a distributor in. And then I will use this engine for mechanical cam timing itself and getting the cam gear set up. That's pretty much it though. I think we're about ready. This end of the shop's starting to get a little crowded. I think we're pretty much ready to go for the cam and ignition timing video, which will be next. And I'm going to break it into chapters so you can look at the beginning, table of contents, and work your way through it if you have something specific. That's pretty much it. Thanks for checking out GearJammerShop.com. And if you get stickers, stick them on something and then tag me in social media. Don't use them for graffiti or anything. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.